Hey guys and gals, here we go once again. No surprise what's in this box, but you're going to see it for the first time when I open it, just like me. So let's see how she survived the trip. Porky. Nice. You hooked me up, guys. Thank you. I guess you do read the messages on Instagram. That's awesome. Anyhow, they were blowing these out. Not making them anymore. I already have a couple, so I will not be doing sound samples because you guys have already heard it and seen it before. So, but I'm gonna take it out and take a look at it. Make sure it made it safely. These are great guitars, even better, I should say, at the price point because they're blowing them out. But now that looks a lot better than I thought it was going to. I was a little worried it was going to be too bright, but it is dark like the red one was, and that's pretty cool color, right? It's orange something or other, but I'm really happy with these. These have a thinner body than like this typical Les Paul style. But for the money, blowing them out, you can't go wrong with these. I love the other ones. These are pretty much my main guitars right now. And there you have it. The Z series. Only a couple left, if any, by the time I post this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please check out all my music online. Buy something. Don't stream it because nobody makes any money that way. Stay tuned. Hope to have more for you soon. Thanks. Bye.